Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to share how to engage a 2-year-old toddler at home. This is our first activity. I give him some cups or plates along with spoons and fill it with water or some grains. I let him feel different textures this way, which is a good sensory activity. He likes to transfer water and the grains from one cup to the other. This activity needs supervision. It's quite engaging and children love to spend time in exploring new stuff. The next activity is playing with cars. I make him line up all his cars and we sit on the floor and start passing the cars to each other. Cars are his favorite, so it is very easy for me to engage him for at least 20 to 30 minutes. This is another way to teach them identify different kinds of vehicles. I ask him to send a particular vehicle and he picks and sends the same towards me. Next activity is playing with his Thomas train set. It involves setting up the track and connecting the carriages to the engine. Initially, we used to fix up things for him. However, nowadays he connects the engine with the train on his own and also tries to put together a couple of pieces of the track which we finish for him. This helps in fine motor skills development of toddlers. He enjoys playing with his train. This activity also helps in improving his imagination and creativity. Next activity is puzzle solving. If you haven't introduced puzzles or shape sorters, this is the right time to do so. Puzzles develop your child's problem solving and thinking skills, also with pattern recognition, memory, and both gross and fine motor skills. You can buy them or make DIY kits at home. I make him sit and solve these puzzles at least once a day. You get these big cardboard animal puzzles and also small cardboard books with cutout sea creatures, fruits, veggies and vehicles. They're sturdy and do not wear and tear much, and kids can enjoy for a longer time. Shape sorters are also a great way of engaging your toddler. Make sure you buy these things with bigger parts so that you can avoid any choking hazard. Next activity is book reading. Reading books to children stimulates their imagination and expands their understanding of the world. We buy two types of books. Books with single object in each page and the other, big books with multiple things in them. I open few small books on a table and ask him to find a particular object. He fetches and gives it to me. It is a fun way to learn and engage your toddler. The next activity is dancing. We know that every kid loves dancing. It's a great form of exercise, and love of dance from a very early age can help motivate kids to stay active and flexible. Arnav has few favorite songs which when played, he pulls us all and makes us dance along with him. Our next activity is painting and playing with stamps. We recently got a stamp color set from Amazon which he thoroughly enjoys. Trust me, it's going to create a lot of mess around and color marks on hands, face and legs. I let him enjoy this phase. He can identify colors now. There are 5 different animal stampers where we color them and use pens and then stamp it onto any paper. He gets so excited after stamping the multicolored designs. Best part is we can wash and reuse the stamps. He loves watercolors and once he starts, there's no stopping. I have to literally take the colors and sheets away from him. Another interesting activity to engage toddlers is playing with balloons and bubbles. Arnav loves to blow bubbles and tries to track and catch them as they float. You need to monitor to avoid the soap water getting into your child's eyes. I ensure I use his bath liquid to make the soap water for bubbles. You can play a lot of indoor games with balloons. You can just blow different colored balloons of different shapes and let the child enjoy throwing, kicking and catching them. While playing with balloons, you need to be cautious and continuously supervising when they play as they have a choking hazard. Our last activity is a DIY, which you can try if you have a cloth hanger or a rope. I give him hangers of different colors and ask him to hang them on the rod. It's a fun game which you can also play with colored cloth clips. I ask him to sort them as per color and then ask him to identify the colors. Please try it out. It's a fun way to help them sort things and teach colors.
Where's black? Very good. Where's blue? Very good. Where's red? Where's red? Very good. Where's green? Very good. Where's white? Very good. Where's purple? Very good.
Thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch up in the next video.